Hello! We're going to play another energy game today. Call this one Energy Cocktail. And I just invented it, but it has a lot to teach us. So it's going to be another game about learning how to share your energy with a living being in a healthy way. Very useful. First, we're going to review. Just remember what it feels like to hand our energy to something else, leave it there, be in two places at once, and then get it back. And then we're going to find out what it's like to share in a healthy way. So first, I'm going to make my little energy ball here. Let me be quiet for a second while I make it. Okay, there it is. So you see it's like a little fireball, and it kind of goes bzzzt on my palm, and it is through me, but it's not taking anything out of me. And it feels kind of hot, and you can sort of see it like a rainbow, but like a hot rainbow. Anyway, it's just there. And I can like turn my attention off, but it's still there because now it's like a noun instead of a verb. It's a thing that is just there, and I don't have to work to make it be there. So here it is. And now I'm going to approach one of these lovely dandelion plants here. Which one can you see? We'll make it this one. So I take a minute and I listen to the dandelion plant, and I listen to its energy, which is going sort of straight up and down. Plants have very good, straight, simple energy. And then I feel my fireball sort of buzzing warmer and hotter and fuzzier as it approaches the energy of the plant. And I put it where I want it to be. And then I can take my physical hand away and leave the energy ball there. But I need to go slowly so that I can still feel I'm there. I'm here in me, but I'm also there. I'm there in that fireball there. And I'm also listening to the plant. So first do that, and step away. And I step away and I'm here, but I'm also there. And I can see myself there. And I can feel the plant. And then when I'm done, I reach back and I feel my energy ball right here. You can kind of see it going buzz buzz. I pick it up and I take a minute and I let the energy drain back into my body. So that's the review. That's just putting ourselves somewhere and practicing being in two places at once. Now, if you've got that, we can play with learning how to share and combine in a cocktail. So the trick here is to remember that we're sharing, but we are not actually the same thing. I mean, we are all one big thing in the grander sense. But as long as we can remember I'm me and the plant is the plant, we can temporarily, consciously merge in a way that is neither draining, it doesn't take and it doesn't give, it just shares. That's key. So I make my energy ball, here it is, and I come toward this handy dandelion here. And now that I'm paying attention to dandelion energy, I can feel the dandelion energy much farther away than before. So now I can feel this guy here going zzz, zzz, zzz. Plants have very straight, clean, straightforward energy. And now I can choose to take on some of the plant energy myself by inviting it into me in a conscious way. And as soon as I do that, I'm focusing on the energy ball here with the plant over here. But since the energy ball is of me, as soon as hold on, let me do it for a second. There. Okay, as soon as I invite the plant energy to combine with the rainbow fireball energy over here, since I am here and there at the same time, I instantly feel plant energy shooting up inside this part of me too, which is super cool. But it is not that I stop being me, and it's not that the plant stops being the plant. It's just that for a while I have plant energy in me. We're sharing the energy. And over here it is. Okay, here's my fireball, and here's the dandelion. Oh, there they go. When I invite them to consciously merge, then they take on characteristics of one another. And so instead of just blue and yellow, for instance, you have green. But it's an intentional green that still has the blue and the yellow separate within them. And then when I'm done with that fun game, I can disassociate my fireball and put it back in me. And there you go. It's a lot of fun. Have a good time.